Ipeco is a UK-based, family-owned business, firmly established in aerospace and defence, manufacturer, but we also design the products we make. It's been established for 50 years now. It has just under 600 employees. Main customer is Boeing, but all of the big aerospace manufacturing companies and also all of the airlines throughout the world who use Boeing products. We have engineering capability, design capability. We have an electronics division that's focused very much on military products. The main reasons we needed to move from the systems we were currently using was that the software was very old, and also we did not have a common set of software across the group. So there was no linkage, or where it was, it required a lot of manual effort to link the information and make it useful. Due to the success of the implementation, the software functionality goes across all the operational units within the business. One of the advantages to us of the package that Cyber offered us was the templated approach or pre-configured package. That still required a detailed scoping exercise to be done once the project started, and that was very important to us because it made us think very hard about the level of detail we wanted from the system and the fine-tuning that was required. The project we had encompassed 9 locations. The way that we structured it was that we deliberately had a pilot scheme first of all, and we went for a very fast implementation of just 10 weeks from the time the Cyber project team appeared on site. We were looking for common systems that would enable good linkage across all the various business divisions so that information could A, be shared, and B, be seen to be on the same basis, comparing apples with apples, which we had not been able to do before. One of the other huge success factors for us, and I can quote from our chief executive here, was that he very quickly came up with the phrase that SAP is a bright light that is often shone in all the dark corners that people would sometimes rather it didn't illustrate. And that enabled us to become much more aware of areas where we were not keeping control of the business as best we could. I described the rollout that we did initially as phase 1, and I talk about a phase 2, but to me phase 2 is basically forever. We're always going to be looking to make better use of SAP. We have implemented other parts of SAP since the initial rollout. We are currently working on a project with Cyber to arrange for formal air release documents to be able to be signed electronically, so we can do away with paper forms. We chose SAP for a number of reasons. One of them was that we were not in the business of changing software on a routine basis. We wanted a software package that would last us for a long time. For us, if we changed within 10 years, we'd think that was a failure. We're looking for a relationship that will last a long, long time. Part of that is having some software that has got a rich set of functionality that we can pick and choose from to meet business requirements that change over time. Our relationship with Cyber has been extremely useful. When the consultants first turned up, they were extremely easy to get on with, very knowledgeable and very helpful. Ipeco has a philosophy that we want to learn, so rather than just be given a package at the end of the day, we wanted to learn the inside of SAP to a reasonable extent. The consultants were very helpful in doing that. That helped us speed up our rollout and has helped us make better use of SAP in the years that we've carried on using it. So I found Cyber very responsive.